is a little bit about me. My name is Lauren Blandon, and I'm taking this course, JTC 301, over the summer. So, who am I? I grew up in Gilbert, Arizona for the most part. I've moved around from Mesa and Phoenix, and in elementary school, I lived in California for 2.5 years. But since then, I've been in Gilbert. We live on a little 2.5 acre property, horse property. I've owned horses for about 9 years. I have 4 horses currently, 2 of which are mine, and the other 2 are my mom's. So I've kind of built a career around them as I've grown up with them. I train horses and I also teach lessons. Typically, I teach lessons to people in the 6 to 13-year-old age range, but I'm open to anyone. And I think that teaching lessons has definitely helped me just develop a lot of interpersonal skills and a lot of communication skills. I'm an equine science major at CSU. I'll be going into my senior year this year. And this picture is just me with a foal that I work with at my current internship in Kentucky at Haggard Equine Medical Institute, where I work as a veterinary technician. My goals in life, I hope to attend veterinary school in fall of 2023. I apply by September 15th, so I'm currently working on those applications. I'm applying to Colorado, Oregon, Arizona, Scotland, London, Georgia, Cornell. So I'm applying anywhere and I'm really willing to go anywhere. And then once I graduate veterinary school, I'd like to work as a large animal vet, not just equine. I want to do sheep, pig, cows, etc. My plan is to work for someone to gain experience and network with clientele. The vet that I interned for in high school did this, and it ended up really well for her, and it helped her learn how to start her own business, which is what I want to do. I want to start my own mobile veterinary practice. As for this course, I want to learn how to engage with my clientele in a professional manner. I think this is really important for a veterinarian as much as we care about the animals and we work with the animals. The clientele and your communication with them does matter. And then I also want to understand how to successfully network with people in my industry. I think it's really important to have partners and know how to engage professionally with them. I'd also like to add variety to my writing portfolio. I typically do creative writing or just school essays, so I think it would be good to know how to professionally format emails and other things like that.